Hello, Olivia at Discover Cleaning Corporation. This is Joel from JND SEO, and I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can beat your competition online and improve your site at the same time. So 3 things we'll talk about today are content, citations, and backlinks. At the end of the video, if you have any questions, we can just talk about those. I can answer any questions for you in a 5-minute phone conversation. If not, then take all the tips and strategies I'm going to give you and you guys could apply them directly to your site. All right, so the first thing we'll talk about is content. So I'm scrolling through your page. I'm on your home page now. I can see you guys have a pretty good looking site. You've got some of your services listed, even your 24-hour, which is very good. Not everybody offers that. You got all reviews, as well as all your contact info and a few social media links. That's really good. Now, what Google cares about the most is all of this content. And you guys probably have, I'd say, under 400 words of content right now. Google recommends having about 1,500 words. I'm also going to show you the maids. Now, I already know that they have about 800 words of content on their page. So they don't have the 1,500 that Google recommends, but they do have more than what you guys got right now. And if we want to beat a company like them who's ranked number 1 in the organic section, then we're going to want to add more content than what they have. But ideally, you want to have that 1,500, and that's going to optimize your site so Google will rank you higher. Now, you don't just want content. You want to make sure you have keywords in that content. I've used cleaning services Worcester MA as my keyword here. Keywords are just common phrases or groups of words that people will frequently search online looking for a service. So this one alone I know brings 90 people every month will search this exact keyword. So that's why I've used it as my example. It's a good one for the area. 3 ways to get on the first page. You could pay for ads. You could get on the map section or GMB, Google My Business. And the other option is to get in the organic section where there's 10 results per page. Now, what we're talking about currently with the having 1,500 words of content and keywords, that's going to help us with the organic section. And we also want to talk about what Google wants to see, which is trust. They want to know that they can trust your website. So the way to build trust is by having stronger sites point back at yours. So I've taken your website, discovercleaningcorp.com, put it into a program that I pay for called Ahrefs. This just allows me to see how your site's performing. And right now I can see that you guys have got some headers on the top of your page, which is a good thing. This allows Google to find you a little bit easier. Now, this UR number, this is your trust with Google right now. And this DR number is the power behind your site. So the way to build those up is with your backlinks and referring domains. So right now you guys have 75 backlinks. When you click on a backlink, it's going to redirect you to your page. Just like if I click this link here, it's going to bring me to your site or open your site up right now. Now, referring domains are just sites that are other websites that are linked to your site through the backlink. So when somebody clicks on a backlink on these sites, it's going to bring them to your page. An example would be like a Facebook business page. If you guys created one, and maybe you have one already for Discover Cleaning Corporation, then where you put the web address for your website, that would be a backlink. And when someone clicks it, it's going to bring them back to your site. Now, with 17 sites pointing back at you guys vouching for you, we can see 6 of those 17 are strong, which are probably helping you the most. You guys have a trust of 17. You're being found right now for about 11 keywords in searches on Google. Unfortunately, that's bringing you guys 0 actual visitors to your website. Now, if we do jump over to the maids, we can see they've got their headers up here. You see they have 709 backlinks on 109 referring domains. That's with 109 sites pointing back at them. We can see 31 of the 109 are strong. They've got a trust of 26, 454 keywords they can be found for. And they got about 196 actual visitors coming to their site every month. Now, we can actually click the referring domains because this is what's helping them a lot, right? We can get a lot of these same websites. I could find the 31 strong ones that they have, and we could get all of those for you guys as well. And if it works for them, why wouldn't it work for you? A lot of those, we have to make a profile on those sites or create a membership. And we can get a lot of the same referring domains and backlinks. And then we'd have to build up the keywords and content on your page, and we would be able to get ahead of them in the organic section. Now, the other option, of course, is in the map pack or Google My Business. And the way to get on here is through citations, and that's by getting your business name, address, and phone number all listed into directory sites such as Better Business Bureau, Home Advisor, Angie's List, Thumbtack, or social media such as Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram. Now, you want to have more than your competition. So if these guys have 30, you want to have about 130 sites pointing back at you. And that's going to help you to run the score up on them so they can't catch you. But these guys are going to get a lot of attention being in the top 3 and on this main search page. The rest of them will be all on view all, so you want to be in these top 3. And the last option would be paying for ads if you guys wanted to do that, which you don't have to. Just to recap, you guys could pay for ads. You could use their citations by getting your business name, address, and phone number listed in many directory sites and social media. Or you could get in the organic section where you could get 1,500 words of content to 2,000 words of content on your homepage, putting in some keywords as well as building up trust with strong links on your site. All right, thank you guys for your time. I hope that was helpful for you, and I'll check in with you guys in about a day or so just to make sure that you guys, did find it helpful, as that was really my objective. But thank you for your time and have a great day.